Welcome to Impetus Workload Transformation Comprehensive Analysis tutorial. Tap onto your assessment card. You will land onto the Highlights page. Navigate to the Analysis tab. Analysis page opens, which shows the analysis of applications. Changing Data View to Graphical View shows key resource utilization for applications or business processes. Showing resource utilization matrix for users. In-depth analysis of queries by unique patterns, that is, queries with unique query construct and unique text where they have a similar query construct. In-depth analysis of files. Detailed view of queries showing key resource utilization, schema reference, query complexity, and likewise. Let's search for a particular entity. More information is retrieved for this entity from the given schema details. For example, details about the item table such as primary key, unique key, if any materialized view is created using it, its data volume and type of table. Workload segregation by statement types. Changing its view. Showing query constructs, that is, clauses used in the queries. Shows the analysis of Informatica ETL scripts with details about transformations, mappings, and more. Showing information for different files. This shows the analysis of orchestrator or scheduler scripts. Changing the view. Lineage shows complex interdependencies between the workloads. This is critical for performance and properly planning a phased transformation to the target of your choice. This shows the analysis of the source code for parallel execution of files and queries. In contrast to sequential execution of independent workloads, parallel execution helps to considerably improve the performance. This is all we have in the analysis section. Next, watch the transformation recommendations tutorial. Thanks for watching.